Hello, my dear student. We will revise on what we had before. We will start by lesson 1, negative integer power. Our rules is, if I have a to the power negative n, it will be 1 to the power 1 over a to the power positive n. Okay, it's not negative. Exercise rule number 2. If I have a to the power n multiplied by a to the power negative n, it will be 1. You have the same base and the opposite powers. A over b to the power negative n, to change the power into positive, you have to flip the number inside the brackets. Okay? Exercise number 1. 4 to the power negative 1, our target to make the power positive. So you have to put the number down. It will be 1 over 4. 3, 1 over 2, all to the power negative 1. To make the power positive, you have to flip the number inside. So it will be 2 over 1, which equals 2. Exercise number 5, 0.2 to the power negative 2 equals, yes, you will do the power positive, so put 0.2 down. It will be 0.2 to the power 2, and this will be 25. You can do your 2, 4, 6 by yourself and check your answers from the model answer. Exercise number 2. Yes, 4 to the power 7 times 4 to the power negative 3. You have the same base and you will do plus 4 the powers. 7 plus negative 3, and this will be 4 to the power 4. Okay? 3 to the power negative 2 over 2. You have to make the power positive, so put it down. You have 1 over 2 times 3 to the power 2. And this will be 1 over, yes, it will be 18. 5 to the power negative 2, all to the power negative 3. You have 2 powers, so you have to multiply them. It will be 5 to the power negative 2 times negative 3 equals 6. Exercise number 7. You have 3 to the power negative 1 over 2, all to the power 2. You have only here the negative power, so put it down. It will be 1 over 2 times 3, all to the power 2. It will be 1 over 2 by 3 equals 6, all to the power 2. It will be 1 over 36. Exercise number 3. Yes, you have to collect the numbers up and down. Down you don't have, you have only 7 to the power 3. Up you have 7, and you will do plus for the powers, negative 2 plus 5. And this will be 7 to the power 3 over 7 to the power 3, which equals 1. Okay, exercise number 2. Collect the numbers up. You have 9 to the power 3 plus 1 equals 4, and you have down 9 to the power 5, all to the power negative 3. Finally, it will be 1 over 9, all to the power negative 3. You still have negative power, so you have to flip to replace the negative by positive. It will be 9 to the power 3. Okay, try to do this, okay, by yourself. Exercise 4, 7x to the power negative 1. Yes, our target to make the negative power positive, so put it down. It will be 7 over x. A, negative 2, negative 3. Yes, I have to put them down. So it will be a to the power 2, b power 3. Okay, here I have divide. In division, I will do minus for the powers. So it will be x to the power 7 minus negative 5. And this will be x to the power 7. Negative is positive, so it will be 12. Exercise number 7. You have to simplify first between brackets. It will be a to the power 2 plus negative 5. And those all to the power 2. So it will be a to the power negative 3 all to the power 2, which equals, you have two powers, so you have to multiply them. A to the power negative 6. I have to convert negative power into positive, so it will be 1 over A to the power 6. Okay, if I have A to the power negative 1 equals 2 over 3, then A, you have to flip to change the power. So A equals 3 over 2. Okay, if A equals 7 to the power x, and B equals 7 to the power negative x, then A times B equals, you have to replace A by 7 to the power x and replace B by 7 to the power negative x. This will be 7 to the power 0. Any number to the power 0 equals 1. Okay, 11. You have 5 power x up and 5 power negative y down. In division, you will do minus for the power. So you will put x minus negative y, and this will be 5 to the power x plus y. If I have a to the power x equals 2 and a to the power negative y equals 3, then a to the power x minus y equals, yes, a to the power x minus y equals a to the power x times a to the power negative y. And then you will replace a to the power x by 2 and replace a to the power negative y by 3, and the result will be 6. Okay, exercise number 14. The multiplicative inverse of 5 to the power negative 1 is, first I have to change the power of 5 to be positive. It will be, this will be 1 over 5. So the multiplicative inverse will be flipped. It will be 5. Okay? Try to do exercise 5 by yourself. Check your answers from the model answer. We will stop. Okay, it's the order of operation. You have to follow the steps. Power, multiply, power or parentheses, multiply, divide, and then adding and subtracting. This is our steps to do any exercise. Exercise number B, we will start by this operation. 2 times 6, multiplying first, so 2 times 6 equals 18, and this will be it will be 12 minus 4 plus 2, and then you will do, yes, you will do adding. 12 minus 4 equals 2, will be 8 plus 2, and this will be 10. Okay, to solve C, you will start by ordering. I have power here, so it will be my first step. 144 minus 8 divide 2 to the power 3 equals 8, and then I will start by subtracting or divide. No, I have to starting by division. So it will be 144 minus 8 divided 8 equals 1. 144 minus 1 equals 143. Yes, by order I have to start by parentheses. So I have two brackets here. It will be 2, and then open the greatest one, and then power 5 to the power 2 equals 25 plus 1 minus 4 to the power 2 equals 16 minus 1, and then this is 2. I have to find the result of this bracket. It will be 26 minus the result of this bracket equals 15. Okay, now you have to find the result of this, so it will be 2 times 26 minus 15 equals 11. Yes, now 2 times 11 equals 22. Okay, try to do the rest of the exercise by yourself and check from the model answer. Try to find the value of x by yourself, and you will find that x equals 15. Okay, Try to find the value of y by yourself, and you will find that y equals 30. When you finish x and y, find the numerical value of the expression y over x to the power negative 3. Y over x to the power negative 3. You will replace y by its value, it will be 30. You will replace it x by 15, all to the power negative 3, and this will be 2 to the power negative 3. Yes, we can't put the negative power, so put 2 down and make it to the power 3. It will be 1 over 8. Please do it by yourself and check your answers from the model answer. Thank you for today. Bye bye.